Hello, friends. Friends, I have shocking news to share that has just been released. A recession may affect Social Security and its monthly benefit checks. Some low-income Americans may notice a big change to their relief payments, but top lawmakers are proposing new plans to try and fix this issue as soon as possible. My friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to hear about all of these details. Also, to say thank you for being part of this community, I'm giving away a $50 Walmart gift card every day this month. If you would like to enter the giveaways, all you have to do, friends, is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these daily giveaways. Social Security's nearly 66 million beneficiaries are just a couple of weeks away from receiving the largest cost of living adjustment on a percentage basis in 41 years. For the program's more than 48 million retired workers, the average monthly Social Security check is expected to climb by $146 in 2023. Medicare Part B premiums are also declining year over year, and as a result of these changes, many retirees are looking at a real money increase in their take-home benefit for the new year. But on the other hand, the winds of recession appear to be blowing in the United States. Although retail sales and the unemployment rate are not throwing up red flags, the biggest inversion in the interest rate yield curve in 40 years certainly is. With the Federal Reserve increasing interest rates at the fastest pace in many decades, the likelihood of a recession in the United States has steadily grown. One of the biggest questions is, would a U.S. recession be potentially crippling to Social Security? A recession would pose no threat to Social Security in the short run. On a combined basis, the Old Age and Survivors Insurance Trust Fund and Disability Insurance Trust Fund had nearly $2.81 trillion invested in special issue bonds and certificates of indebtedness. On a combined basis, the Old Age and Survivors Insurance Trust Fund and Disability Insurance Trust Fund had nearly $2.81 trillion invested in special issue bonds and certificates of indebtedness as of the end of November 2022. This means that Social Security is going to be up and running throughout the year 2023. By law, the excess revenue collected by Social Security is required to be invested in these special issue bonds and certificates of indebtedness, which earns the program interest from the federal government. With a boatload of asset reserves, there is no concern that a recession would interrupt payouts or hurt Social Security's very short-term outlook. Social Security generates about 90% of its revenue from the 12.4% payroll tax on earned income, which includes wages and salary, but not investment income. Luckily, as long as individuals keep working and lawmakers in Congress don't change how Social Security generates revenue, there will always be revenue coming in for disbursement to all eligible beneficiaries. Another way that a recession can negatively impact Social Security is through interest rates. With close to $2.81 trillion of asset reserves invested in bonds and certificates of indebtedness, Social Security benefits most when interest rates are rising. During most recessions, the nation's central bank lowers interest rates to spur economic activity and lending, which can reduce the net interest income generated by Social Security. So my friends, what are your thoughts on all of this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is sugar cookies. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, if you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is sugar cookie, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you're also subscribed to my channel. Based on data from the National Bureau of Economic Research, the average U.S. recession between 1854 and 2022 has lasted 17 months. Since 1950, the average recession length has shrunk to a mere 10 months. While averages cannot predict precisely how long a recession will last, it does provide pretty clear evidence that periods of economic expansion last considerably longer than recessions in the United States. Whatever adverse effects Social Security contends with from a potential recession are likely to be short-lived. Fixing the program's $20.4 trillion estimated cash shortfall through the year 2096 is a far more pressing concern. The Federal Reserve expects an economic downturn next year, but they don't call it a recession. In its latest summary of economic projections that was released on Wednesday, Fed officials said they expect GDP growth at the end of next year to stand at just 0.5%, while the unemployment rate is set to rise from its current level of 3.7% to 4.6%. And these projections were released alongside the Fed's last monetary policy decision of 2022, which saw the central bank raise the target range for its benchmark interest rate by 0.5%, as expected. The Fed's unemployment forecast suggests that some 1.6 million Americans are going to lose their jobs in the next year. As we've seen in several forecasts for the economy next year, consensus among most strategists has hardened around the idea of a downturn hitting the economy in the second or third quarter of 2023, sending the stock market falling. And the expectations that the Fed will react to a recession by easing policy have most strategists betting on stocks getting back to unchanged by the end of next year. Well, my marvelous and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Thursday. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here and watching and listening to the videos I post. Friends, I want you all to know that I greatly appreciate every single one of you. And to say thank you for joining me here and being part of this community, I'm giving away a Walmart gift card every day this month. Please make sure that you enter the giveaways. All you have to do is click and like several of my videos. Comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. My friends, the winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway is Pauline Serini. Congratulations, my friend. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page and send me a message, or you can message me on my Facebook page.